Hi, this is Mary with Reviewer's Diary. Got a whole bunch of stuff for September, but I'm going to do one box at a time. I have the Walmart Beauty Box, Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, and the box. So I'm going to do the box first. I know that a lot of you prefer to watch one type of box rather than a whole big long video. So anyway, this just arrived today. But by the time I produce this video, I'll probably be in a cast downstairs. Yeah, I just found out the bad news. I'm going to be, of course, non-weight bearing, which I thought I would be, but I also am going to be in a cast. Crap. So anyway, I will be right back with the unboxing for The Box by Fashionsta. And this is September 2021. Okay, so let's get into this box. I have not seen any spoilers, so I don't know what is actually in here. Okay, I'm going to start with the biggest item, and the box is open. And the jar is upside down now. Anyway, oh, and this has this actually has an expiration date on it. I love that when products have an expiration date on them. This is blue, I guess that's how you say it. Nourishing Spirulina Clay Mask. Not wild about stuff that I'm not going to be able to rinse off easily, so it looks to me like this is going to be something that'll stay upstairs when I go downstairs. I am currently looking for things that I can bring down. Let's put that back together when I have two hands. Bring downstairs with me. Okay, wow. Next. Wickedly Divine, what are you? Smudge proof eyeliner. Okay, I'm all in for good eyeliner. And what color is this? Let's see, what is it? Oh, by the way, this goes for $29. This blue stuff. This Lash Splash Wicked eyeliner goes for $16. It looks like it's in the color Dementor. I'm going to have to look at that. I wonder if it's black or not. Holy crap, is that not the coolest thing I ever saw? Oh my god. And it's liquid, which is my favorite type. And it does look black in there. So, but there's like a red jewel on top. This is really, really awesome. I'm going to open this just because I know. No, I won't. It's in color number 13421, and the part that I can see through appears to be black, so that's okay because I wear black eyeliner on my top lid. I don't wear it on the bottom. I wear a pencil that's a little bit softer just because that harsh black line underneath the eye just ages you. So anyway, this is really cool. I'm glad I opened the box. Okay, I removed a couple things from their boxes. First is this Kiss and Smirk. Whoa. This is the Everything stick, and it is in Split, the color. It's $20, and whoa. And that is the color. I think you can use it on your lips and your cheeks. That I do like that. And this is from Estate Cosmetics, and it's called Just a Taste, and it's a nice little palette. It's really pretty. That green just caught my eye immediately, so yeah, I'll probably be keeping that. Actually, I'll probably keep everything. And then there is a set of brushes. Oh Wow brush. Let's see what it says on here. Oh Wow brush number 32. It's $32. I think it might just be one brush. So let me open this up and we'll take a look. Yes, it is one brush. It is in a protective covering. I'll have to read the directions on how to use this. I do have a couple of paddle brushes like this, but I never quite perfected the use of them. So if anybody has any ideas about how to get these to work really well, I'd appreciate it. It's got a nice ergonomic handle, which is really good. And the last thing is Cysteine Herbal Collagen with Retinol Cherub Eye Mask. Okay, so I like eye masks, but I do have tons of them, but I'll probably hold on to this anyway and give these a try. And they go for, let's see, Cysteine, wow, $10 for one set of eye masks. That's pretty substantial. So I like everything pretty much in this box. Anyway, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with the trying all the things. I think I have to try a whole lot of things before I go downstairs, which now is in 2 weeks. And by the time you see this video, I may be down there because I'm still catching up editing videos that I have already made. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you get this box, let me know. Did you get the same things that I got? And how do you feel about them? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That thumbs up really does help me. It helps my videos to be visible to other viewers. So anyway, thank you very much and have a beautiful evening. Good night.